Guys, today we're going to be putting on a latch for our gate. A little different today. Instead of cutting some grass, we're going to put a latch on. I've already put one screw in there just to kind of free my hands up so I can video and kind of talk along. You can, if you'd like to, drill pilot holes. It's not necessarily a necessity. Especially if you've got these self-tapping screws that comes with the kit, but it never hurts to drill a pilot hole if you can. And again, I'm using a much smaller drill bit because I don't want to split this wood, because if we split the wood, then that kind of just that defeats the purpose of the latch. So pre-drilled the holes there, or I've drilled the you can't pre-drill because pre-drill means before you drill. But anyway, got my bit here. I'm going to put the screws in. Go ahead and get this thing where it needs to go. Another screw here, and then there you go. We've got two in there. And then we've got, let's see, how many screws do we have left? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So we've got two here. Put this one in there. We can get it. So I was looking at my grass today and I took a picture and sent it to someone. 3. And they told me that I've got some more weeds. I've got what they call vasy grass. I'm not necessarily excited about that. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Put this one in here. So I'm probably gonna have to kind of back up and punt. Sprayed some Roundup on some areas. That split the wood a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. Now we've got the latch. The latch is gonna come right there. So we'll hold that. Leave that right there for a minute. We'll drill some holes with that. Right there. And we'll drill there. Uh-oh. Didn't think about that coming in. We'll have to hold it with my foot here. Alright, so now that we've got that one drilled, I'm going to go ahead and put that screw in here. That way it just holds it a little bit. Helps us out. Going to hold the gate right here. Help it in forward. There we go, we got that one in there. Now we can kind of free up our hands a little bit. We'll drill that other hole. It's a little back and forth, but you know, whatever cranks your Chevy there, buddies. Put that other screw in here. Drop it on the ground there. And we will go again. And again, it would help if I'm in first or in forward. Alrighties, there we go, guys. We have completed the gate. Look at that. Open, closed. Now we can always put a lock on this so that no one can come in, which we'll probably do to make sure that nobody can come in the gate. Yep, that's what we will do. We'll put a lock there just to ensure, because we really don't use this side of the gate anyway. But there you go, guys. Y'all take it easy.